Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I'm going to give you a overview of the print-on-demand platform Gooten. I've used this platform before. I have a video showing you guys how to sign up for this site, and I also did a review. I'm back with another overview of the Gooten site, and I have 4 products to unbox for you guys. If you want to know more about Gooten, make sure you continue to watch this video. Gooten is for all of my coin snatchers who've been in the print-on-demand industry for a while. You've built up a pretty good catalog of products. It's good for anyone who has over 100 products already and who has a good amount of experience for print-on-demand. So we are going to go over here and we're going to talk about the print-on-demand section, right? So we all know how print-on-demand works. We upload our product, we integrate with whatever platform like Shopify, and then we start to, collect our sales, right? We got to do our markups. We got to do the marketing for our products. They have over 150 products available on the website. Gooten integrates with BigCommerce, Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, and they do have the Gooten API, right, to integrate it and get your product shipped out by any means necessary. They have a huge catalog that breaks down into sections all the way from fashion and apparel to pets and holiday. I'm excited about this pet section. I know there's a lot of people out there who would love to do things that are catered to pets. You have pet leashes, collars, bandanas, and dog beds. So this is a great opportunity for someone who has a little bit more experience in this industry and want to roll out products for pets. Now, one great thing about Gooten is their VIM program. So this is a perk for anyone who is ready to scale their print-on-demand business. So you can go ahead and sign up down below. Make sure you read each section to determine if you qualify. And don't forget to sign up for Gooten. I'm going to go ahead and get over to the unboxing part of the video where you guys will get to see all of the goodies that I purchased from Gooten. Remember, if you want to join this platform, make sure you go to the link in my description box to sign up for Gooten to be on your way to creating bigger and better items for your print-on-demand business. I'm going to go ahead and get into this unboxing. I'm excited about the products that I received. So the first product that I have came in this package right here, and it is a pair of leopard socks. There's nothing else in the bag, just the socks. I did try them on. I'll go ahead and insert a clip of me with the socks on. I did the leopard print. Socks are DTG print, and it's the all over print. If you know me, you know I love leopard, and like I said, I'll insert a clip of me wearing the socks. They're super comfy, super stretchy. I didn't feel like my print stretched a lot when I put them on, but the leopard print came out really cute, and like I said, I inserted a clip so you guys can see me walk around with my socks on. The next product that I got came in this box right here, and I got new bath mats for me and my husband's bathroom. They come like this, and I got the same style print, and I got the words hello at the bottom, one in like a royal blue, and then the other in a purple. These are nice size, and I'll show you guys how they look on my bathroom floor once I put them there, but it feels so soft and it looks so good. I love that I could take this print of giving it a faux fur look, but it's really not faux fur, but it looks like it. It gave it a pop. The bath mats have a microfiber front and a polyester back. Nice to sit flat on your floor in your bathroom. The bath mats were printed with dye sublimation. If that's something that you are looking for, these bath mats will work really good for you from Gooten. I'm gonna go and place them in my bathroom so you guys can see what it looks like. The last product I got from Gooten is here, and it came in this box, and I'm excited about unboxing this one. Let's see. Okay, let me see if you guys can see it. It's a pet ball. So here it is. Love how they packaged this, very secure. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Look at that. It's like a little platter with this protective film on there, which I'm gonna take that off. And I'm gonna grab out my pet bowl, and I have a Chihuahua and his name is Choo Choo. I decided to create this for him. Super cute bowl. Super cute, love it, super cute. It's a 9 ounce. I believe they do have other sizes, but I just got a nice little cute one here to put his food in. He's getting older and he eats a lot of soft food. To have this would be so cute for him. It's ceramic, like I said, and it's a 9 ounce. It may look purple on the screen, but it's like a dark navy blue. It says Choo Choo, super cute, and I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and put his bowl up so he can enjoy eating. But I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of all of the products that I got from Gooten. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.